Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, this is part 2 of my review for DPClubs, and we have pre-stamped cross stitch. So let's get to the first one. Isn't that pretty? This is from DIY, and it is a 40 by 50 and it's an 11 count, and it was $9.99. So let's see what this looks like. Pull this out, flip it around here. Isn't that beautiful? It's a little farm scene. You got sheep, you got chicken, you got kids and a dog and a horse, and I hope that all that shows up. It does have the product number right here. Let me get to the paper thing. Oh, it's quite big. Very nice and big. Just beautiful. Has 25 colors. It does show the colors, the DMC number, the symbols, and the number on the thread card. But this is really the easiest one I've seen. It does have the product number here, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So it's not too big. I just hope the detail shows out. It could have been brought forward just a bit in my way of thinking on the picture, you know, to show all the detail. But we'll find out, right? Let's take a look at those colors. Woo, look at them. Parties. There are 2 needles right there. Let me give this a shake. So there's not a lot of thread here. I mean, it's a good wad. Look at those purples. And the blues. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I just hope this all translates. That's what I'm worried about. Just beautiful. Look at that orange, yellow orange. And the purples, dark blues. I'm assuming one of those is 939 and maybe 823, and it looks like 3857. I didn't look here. Yeah, I mean 3865, sorry. Yep, we have 939, no 3371, 823, and we have, and no 310. So, just beautiful colors. Beautiful. Some are bright and vivid, some are like melded in. They're going to be the shades of some of this. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. The thread gets me every time. Every time. Let's take a look. Oops. Everything's flying sideways here. Hold that thought. Okay. Let's take a look at the canvas. Does have the product number here, how big it is, and how many squares per square. I don't know if all this will translate or not. Get rid of these scissors before I stab myself. Does have the colors of the threads going down here, plus your DMC symbols and the number on the thread card. Let's give it a measure. It does have a salvage edge over here, but there is no serging. It is 50 by that way, and 39 that way. Actual picture size is 15 3/4 by 30, which is 11 3/4, so almost 12 by 16. Isn't that right? Did I say it right? Yep, 12 by almost 16. But just absolutely beautiful. Nice, easy to read symbols on the canvas. And this is an 11 count. There's some big areas, and I'm sure there's going to be some confetti, because you don't get trees or like grasses and stuff without confetti. But it's not too big. It's just perfect size. I like that. I really, really do. Just beautiful. I'm kind of sticking with the 50 by 40s or 50 by 50 60 by 60, and we'll see. And I told you how much that one was. Okay, this is the next one, and it is going to be 40 by 50 as well, and it was $8.99. It's the little Patriotic Gnomes. Aren't they cute? They're just precious. Them gnomes, they get around, man. They're dressed in anything and everything these days. Remember, it all started with little garden gnomes in your garden? Here we are. We're making cross stitches and diamond paintings and everything else with it. But yeah, I thought that was beautiful. The red, white, and blues. Gorgeous. Now, there's no product number here. Does have a fairly good size key. This key, just like the last one, will match the canvas. Has 24 colors. No 310s. Does have 823 and 939. And 3771. Nope. So, and 3866 is your white. But yeah, looks like it's got some white and grays in their beards. I just think that's cute. I hope it all translates well. There is one needle trying to escape over here. I'm sure there's another one somewhere. We'll find it if we need it. Let's look at all the different shades of red and blues. You got some tans and corals. And there's your off-white. And that's kind of, I don't know, it looks almost gray, but yet it looks purple at the same time. It's kind of weird. There's just one strand of that puppy. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Love how dark blues, and then that's the darkest blue, and then that's almost navy. And then you've got the royal blues. So yeah, just beautiful. I think the colors will be great. Excuse me. Let me get a drink of water. My mouth is getting dry from yapping. Alright, let's turn this around. It is kind of long ways. I don't see another needle, but it could still be here. You can actually see home of the Embrave right there, so that's good. The stars look nice. You do have some big areas running around in the background, but not too bad, and it's not too horribly confettied, if you will. Does not have serging all the way around. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square, which is nice. I didn't see any stickers on the thread card. Sometimes they have a sticker with the same product number on it. This is 49.5 by 39.5. Actual picture size is 30 centimeters or 12 inches, almost 12 inches, I should say, by 40, which is 15 3/4 inches. So yeah, and very easy to read symbols. Just beautiful. And it's such a lovely size. You know, it fits right over your lap. It's not overdone. You don't have to hang on to too much. You know, just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And I like how it's not white. It's kind of a creamy off-white color, if you will. Yeah. Just beautiful. Gosh, my little pile is about ready to collapse over here. Alright, and this one is called Butterfly Fairy. It is a 35 by 50, and it was $8.99. So, really reasonable priced cross stitch. And I don't know the name of this company, but I have had these before where the pattern is all you get to go with. Holy cow. If I could just get it out. It's just so even with that edge. Seriously. There we go. Had to get a hold of it. I'm just going to hold this here for a minute. I will put a picture of this here. Alright. But it has 45 colors from 310 to 939. We do have 3371, which is a brown. We have 3371 and 3771. So I'm not real clear on what colors those are going to be. I don't think this key does not match your canvas. It does come with instructions, which is nice if you need them. But this isn't too bad. I mean, you could blow it up and it'll look better. But as you can see, it's this fairy with butterflies and fairies and flowers and stuff around here. I thought the colors were just magnificent in this. Let me keep that up there. Let's take a look. There are 2 needles right here. Let's get these colors out. And they're on cards. So you have 25 through 45 on this one, and 1 through 24 on the other. But look at all those beautiful, beautiful colors. Aren't they gorgeous? We'll turn it over so you can see them all. Look at those purple. I'm sure that's my 550 purple. I'd know it anywhere. It probably is. I say that, and then I'm usually wrong. I've lately been wrong, so. But it's far enough down. Nope, it's 550. Yep, I like that purple. God, it's so pretty. Just beautiful. Then we have some more pinks and lavenders and magentas and dark reds and like teals and turquoise. Whoops, see, I told you my thing's collapsing here. But yeah, just beautiful colors. Oh, they're going to be gorgeous together. And this is another one that's not too big. I'm going to fold that up and hold it. Maybe it'll hold the rest of it up there. It's just folded on this side. But it's kind of up and down. Is it up and down? Boy, they just barely made that. It does have a product number here and 35 by 50. So, not too big. I think she's sitting right there. Yeah, I think that's the right way that goes. And the symbols are very nice, very easy to read. It is an 11 count. I usually don't buy a 15 count, and I will tell you that, hey, this is 15 count, or I'm 14 count. You know, I'll let you know ahead of time. Let's take a look. It's not serged all the way around. I think I had a goldfish or something from this same company, or some birds. Maybe that bird with the trumpet flowers. 50 by 35. And the actual picture size is 29, which is almost 11 and a half by 43 and a half, which is 17 and a quarter. Just beautiful. Nice, easy to read canvas. Symbols are nice and clear. They're not smeared. They're darkly printed, you know, so you can see it. Just beautiful. 2 needles. The other one, I still don't know where that needle got off to. But yeah. But I love the colors in this. I usually don't buy these fairy things, but yeah, the colors were just awesome. Had to have it. But it looks like there's not a lot of confetti. Things are running in rivers in this. So we'll see how it all turns out. One can never ever tell. Just beautiful. And even the key is nice and dark. You can see all the different symbols for each of the numbers. It doesn't have the colors of the threads here. They barely made enough room for that, didn't it? But it's got a nice enough margin. I think it'll be fine. Looks like a 2-inch margin, maybe? Maybe 1 3/4. But very nice. It says 11 count, use 3 strands to stitch. So just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful kits. Now DPClubs does have free shipping on orders over $50. I think it is. I will put that all in the section below. They have diamond painting and cross stitching and oil, or not oil painting. I always call it oil painting because it used to be oil painting. Paint by number. I don't know if it's acrylic or oil, so you'll have to check that out if you're interested. They do have tools and crafts for both diamond painting and stitching. I don't know if they have separate crafts for paint by number. Some do, some don't. They have no embroidery or beaded cross stitch, I don't think. They always have really great prices. Plus, with my discount code, you can get 15% off, and it will be in the description box below. And I think that's about it. So thank you, DPClubs, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. And this concludes part 2. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. I'm thinking in my brain that there must be something I've forgotten, but I can't remember what it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.